Hello, welcome to my channel everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your Tesla air filter. So this is what I got from Amazon. It's a really good product with great reviews, and it has an activated carbon filter, and this is what it looks like. It'll come with a few tools, which is a screwdriver, and then also come with a plastic ply tool. So the ply tool, you'll be using that to remove the trim. So here for this trim, one thing I noticed for Tesla owners, some things can be easy, some things can be difficult. So for me, there was one piece that was really difficult to pull out. It took me about 5 minutes, and yeah, I almost gave up because it was really difficult, and I didn't want to break anything. However, luckily it came out. So that's for you to decide if you want to take that risk. Okay, so here you'll see I'm having a lot of struggle with that one piece. Also, make sure to remove all your mats too, because you'll need that space. And everything will be aligned as well, so it's kind of straightforward to know how it comes out. Okay, so don't make the same mistake I did here. I removed the screw I didn't need to remove. You just need to remove the screw that's where the filter cover is. So it's actually good. I'm showing you guys this so you guys don't make the same mistake I did here. And it's pretty straightforward to remove. It doesn't really give you any trouble. Also, make sure not to lose the screws because it can be very easy to lose. So once you remove it, where my finger is, that's where the screw is. It'll simply just come off, and you'll see the filter there. Don't pull it out yet until you remove the trim underneath the glove box, which I forgot to do. So you use the plywood again, and you're simply just going to remove all the pins. The pins here are pretty straightforward to remove. Just make sure not to lose it. There's about 5 or so. Okay, so slowly come off. You'll see here there's a few electrical components which Tesla advises you to take off to do the job, but I didn't because mine was really hard to remove, and I have enough room to remove the filter, as you can see here. So you'll simply just pull the tab there. Right, it comes off pretty easy for the most part. Just do it slowly if you do have the electrical component still connected. Okay, so once you take it out, you're simply just going to place a new one in. Make sure the pull tab is on the top and then the honeycomb side is facing you. And you're slowly just going to place it in there. Okay, and then you're just going to make sure it goes down. And then you're gonna put the other one on top of it. All right, now it's time to put the trim back in. So make sure you just put all the pins back in and then pop it back in, and it'll just be aligned. So all in all, it took me about 10 to 15 minutes complete. I'll leave a link in the description to the same exact filter I got for my Tesla Model Y, and I'll see you in the next one.